but let's take a little bit of time for ourselves to relax and take it easy. Go ahead and find a nice, comfortable position for yourself that allows your body to relax and rest easy. Whenever you're comfortable, we'll go ahead and close our eyes and we'll start to focus on our breathing here. Taking big breaths in and all the way out. Big breaths in, all the way out. Focus on feeling all the air in that rib cage. Fill your lungs. And then notice the nice feeling of letting all that air out. Your body's now starting to relax. Your muscles losing tension. And your mind going astray. Breathe in and breathe out. Notice your heart rate slowly relax as we continue our breathing, filling all your air in the lungs and then letting it all out. Breathe easy. Give yourself this moment to relax. Let's take a couple more deep breaths, all the way in, all the way out. One more, all the way in, all the way out. Excellent. Very nice. So the first little pose we're going to move into is our cat and cow pose. I like to start this one out by crossing my arms in front of my body like so, and then slowly bending down as far as I can until my chest is resting on my legs. Remember, we're creating a nice tight ball with our entire body, letting our vertebrae curl, creating all that tightness. And then we'll slowly sit back up out of this position. Let our vertebrae uncoil. We'll put our arms to the side, stick our chest out, take a big breath in, and big breath out. Good. Go ahead and bring those arms slowly back in, or curl back down into our starting position. Rest there for just a second, and then we'll slowly sit back up once again, nice and easy. Throw those arms to the side. We'll stick that chest out and take a big breath in, big breath out. Good. We'll move through this motion one more time. Bring those hands in. Let that body rest down all the way. And then we'll sit up nice and tall. Let that spine uncoil. Arms to the side. Stick that chest out. Big breath in. Big breath out. Good. We'll go ahead and relax on that one. Good work, everyone. The next pose we're going to move into is our overhead stretch pose. So we're going to start by putting both hands together like so. And we'll slowly bring those hands up over our head as high as we comfortably can. So we'll reach them all the way up. Once we get those hands to our highest position, we're going to try to press our head through that little hole. Once we find that position, let's breathe in and out. Good. Ease those hands back down. And then we'll slowly bring them all the way back up once again. Nice and steady. Go ahead and poke that head through once again. And we'll breathe nice and easy. All the way in. steady coming down and all the way up. Breathe in and out. Good. Come all the way down. Excellent work, everyone. The next movement we're going to move into is our child's pose here. This one we'll start by bringing both legs together, nice and easy. And then we're going to try to imagine our arms being as heavy as possible. Next, what we're going to do is allow our chest to come down towards those knees, nice and steady. And we're letting our whole body hang nice and heavy. Let your body rest as much as you can. Try to let those arms way down your body. And we'll breathe nice and steady here. Big breaths in, big breaths out. Focus on your deep breathing. And we'll ease ourselves out of that pose. Very nice, everyone. The next one we're going to move into is our goddess pose. Go ahead and put both arms up with your hands in this position like so. And then we're going to slowly bring both shoulder blades back and try to pinch them as far back as possible. Next, what we're going to do is bring those elbows all the way together and try to touch them as we go forward. Good. All the way back. Once again, nice and steady. And all the way forward. We'll touch those elbows. Good. Go back. Pinch those shoulder blades together and touch. Good. One more, nice and steady. Bring those elbows all the way back. Pinch those shoulder blades and bring them all the way together. Touch those elbows. Good. Very nice work, everyone. The next one we're going to move into here is our crescent moon pose. We're going to start by putting both hands to the side of our chair like so. And we'll slowly bring one arm up and over our head and trying to hold this position nice and steady. Let's take some deep breaths here, all the way in, all the way out. Good. Ease yourself over to that other side. We'll toss that other hand over. Hold this position and breathe. Nice and steady. And out. Very nice. We'll repeat one more time, going all the way over. Breathe in and out. Good. Go ahead and relax. Good work on that one. The next pose we're going to move into here is our chair torso twist. For this one, we're going to keep our hips pointed directly towards the front here. And then what you're going to do is grab the side of your chair with both hands. And then we're going to slowly twist ourselves into position, nice and steady here. Remember, we're almost trying to look behind ourselves. That's kind of a good rule of thumb to think of. So find that nice position for yourself. And once you hold that static stretch, focus on some deep breathing. Good. We'll go ahead and repeat and move all the way over to the other side. Find that nice position. We're going to have both hands hunkered down once again. Curl yourself all the way over and breathe. Nice and steady. And relax. Very nice, everyone. The next one we're going to move into here is our forward fold and sway. We'll go ahead and start with both legs out towards the side, arms crossed, and then we're going to slowly reach our body as far forward as we can. All the way down, let our head hang nice and heavy. Once we're down in this position, we can go ahead and sway back and forth, nice and easy here. Trying to feel out those positions, exploring any areas of tightness our back might have. Still focusing on that deep breathing as we're all the way down. And relax. Perfect. We'll go ahead and finish up with our last exercise here. This is just going to be our dynamic arm raises. Go ahead and start with both hands to the side of your chair like so. And we're going to slowly bring both hands up and over as far as we can. Hold that position. Let's take a big breath in. Big breath out. Let those hands rise down nice and slowly. And we'll bring them all the way up once again. Good. Go ahead and breathe in. Breathe out. Good. One last time, all the way down. And all the way up, nice and steady. Breathe in. Breathe out. Good. Very nice, everyone. Let's go ahead and finish up with our final relaxation. Find a nice comfortable position for yourself. Go ahead and let your arms and your legs hang nice and heavy and relaxed, just like the start. We'll close our eyes and we'll start to focus in on that breathing again. Holding a nice steady pace, taking big breaths in and out. Let's focus on a little bit of imagery today. We'll try to work back towards those comfortable places for ourselves, whether that means you lying on the beach, in the sand, sun in your eyes, with the ocean breeze, or taking a nice jog through the forest, breathing in all that fresh wilderness, hearing the sounds of nature. Maybe you're spending some time with your kids and family, hearing the laughs of everyone. Whatever nice, comfortable position you find yourself in, let's start to put ourselves right in that place. Hear the sounds of whatever area you're in. Focus on any smells. Focus on any tastes, what you hear. Let all your senses be divulged in whatever area you chose. If you're in the ocean area, again, maybe you smell the nice sea salt rising off the ocean current. The wilderness, you might hear those birds chirping. Maybe you're just at home reading a book, nice and peaceful as the rain falls on your window. Wherever you're at, become one with that area. Still focus on that breathing, but being relaxed and happy as you enjoy this time for yourself. Notice as you spend more time in this area, your heart rate is lowering, you become more relaxed, and your mood may start to improve a little bit. That's wonderful. Enjoy this time for yourself and relax. Big breaths in, filling your lungs with air, then exhaling it all into whatever area you're living in. go ahead and take one more big deep breath in, all the way out. And we'll finish up our last little bit in whatever area you're at. And whenever you're comfortable, we'll open our eyes and we'll rejoin back to our world. Thank you all for joining me today for a little bit of yoga. I hope your weekend goes very well. Try to get outside and enjoy some of that fresh weather, and we'll see you next week. Thanks. Bye.